We are celebrating our 41st Independence Day here in the Radisson Hotel in South Africa, and we are doing so because there is so much that has happened in the last years which have seen us this far. And among the things that we are beginning to witness is the hope that we have been ushered in by the current president, Comrade Emmerson Mnangagwa, which has revitalized the economy. So there is every reason for us to be celebrating today. And we are happy that the numbers have turned up according to the COVID-19 regulations, which have placed some restrictions on the numbers that would have attended. But the current number of people that is there is what we had wished. And I'm told that there are quite a number of other people that are outside at the moment. So we are happy. The delegation also has impressed us. And furthermore, we are happy that the president, Comrade Emmerson Mnangagwa, has taken time to address the people that are here in Johannesburg virtually as he addressed the people that are in Zim.
As the ruling party and talking to the diasporas from Zimbabwe, any things that you hear them saying here we need to be improved, and what are promises?
Well, there are always things that need to be improved, and as the ruling party, we are not naive of the challenges that are bedeviling Zimbabwe, and we have spoken about them many a times. But what gives us hope is that the current president has gone into government. He has sanitized the economy. You have seen the stabilization of the Zimbabwean dollar against the Zimbabwean dollar against the United States dollar. You have seen an increase in the number of food items in the shelves in Harare, in the supermarkets. You are beginning also to see an improvement in the manufacturing sector. There is so much that is happening in the mining sector. There is so much that has taken place in the agricultural sector. All these, the total sum of it is that it has brought us where we are at the moment, where we are beginning to see reality and attainability of the Vision 2030, which is encapsulated in the National Development Strategy 1. And we are saying to those that are in the diaspora, ZANU PF is the best foot, the sure foot forward. Let us be together, supporting our president in every endeavor that he is trying to do, so that we can bring the country to where we would want all of us to be.